Hello everybody, it's Tarun. Welcome to your first tutorial in the HTML basic course. In this tutorial, I'll teach you the basic HTML. Okay, so now let's get started. So first of all, you will be thinking that where do you should start? Okay, so your starting point will no doubt depend on your background and your goals. Okay, so however, a first good step is to determine or to get a basic understanding of the topic, and here it is HTML, and now you are here to see how the web and web pages work. Okay, this course will give you the foundation, and once you learn the fundamentals, and then there are plenty of resources on the internet and in bookstores where you can learn according to your interest in the specific area. Okay, and there are many levels of involvement in web design, from building a small site for yourself to making a full-blown career. Okay, you may enjoy being a full-service website developer or specializing in one skill. There are a lot of ways in which you can go. Okay, so first of all, let me tell you what does a web designer do. Well, as a solo web designer, you may be a part-time graphic designer, writer, HTML author, and information architect. Okay, but to you it will just feel like making web pages, and you have nothing to worry about. There are also specialists out there whom you can hire to fill the requirements which you have, or you can hire them if you don't have the skills to do those things yourselves. Okay, so now starting with the course, first of all let's see what you need to start with the course. Okay, so to learn HTML you do not need to learn any language earlier. Okay, you just need to have a basic understanding of English and some basic understanding of your computer system. Okay, so for learning HTML, what you need to do, what you need, one is a text editor and one is browser, and there is nothing else you need to learn HTML properly. Okay, so if you are using Windows, there is a text editor built in which is Notepad. You can use it. Okay, there are softwares out there in the market like Dreamweaver, Visual Studio, which are also helpful in creating web pages very dynamically and easily. Okay, but I'll recommend a software or a text editor named Notepad++, which is quite handy when it comes to HTML, because whenever you will be using Notepad++, whenever you will be using HTML markup tags, it will give you or provide you such a way in which you can differentiate your tags easily with the material which you are going to provide in the web page. So first of all, I'm going to tell you how to install Notepad++ in your system. Okay, just go to Google, type in Notepad++. Okay, and go to the first link only, Notepad++ home, because it is the official website of the Notepad++ organization. Okay, and here you can download Notepad 6.6.7 is released. The latest version is here. Okay, which was released on June 24 only. Okay, so go to download here. Just a second. Okay, and here you can see that there are few versions of this Notepad++ version, which first one is Notepad++ installer. Okay, if you install it, you will get a exe file and you can install it directly. The next is zip package and then 7z package. So I'll suggest that you download the Notepad++ installer only. Okay, go ahead and download it. Okay, it's starting to download. So as you can see that it has started to download. Start download, then install it. It is very simple to install. Don't alter any settings, just follow the steps accordingly and you will install it. Okay, so I have already installed it in my system. The Notepad++ looks like this. Okay, so now let's get started without wasting any time. But before starting, I'll also want to tell you that what I'll cover in this course. So for that, just wait. This is the course contents which I'll follow in this course. I have divided this course into 7 units, as you all can see here. Okay, in the first unit, creating a simple page or a simple web page, I'll cover the document structure, identifying the text elements. Okay, I'll just tell you by adding an image. Okay, but to do so, I'll tell you in the fourth unit, and change the look of your web page. Okay, and how can good web pages go bad. In the next unit, marking up text, I'll teach you about paragraphs, headings, lists, organizing the page contents, generic elements which are div and span, some special characters. Okay, and in the next unit, adding links, I'll teach you about the href attribute, linking to the web pages which are already there on the internet, linking pages within your own website, targeting a new browser window, mail links, telephone links, etc. In the next unit, adding images, first of all I'll teach you something about image formats, the img element, a window within a window, etc. In the next unit, tables, I'll teach you how tables are used, minimal table structure, spanning cells, table accessibility, wrapping up the tables. And in the next unit, forms, I'll teach you how forms work, the form element, variables and content, form accessibility features, form layout and design. And in the last unit, something about HTML5. I'll first of all teach you the difference between HTML and XHTML, and then I'll teach you something about HTML5, which is now being used in the worldwide manner to create dynamic web pages. Okay, so this was all from my side in this introduction tutorial. In the next tutorial, I'll start with unit 1, creating a simple page. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.